Does the device successfully launch a marshmallow forward?
Yes.
I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1.
So we wanted to do a design project with the kids here where they had a chance to take an idea all the way through the engineering design process from beginning to end. I gave them a problem. They needed to be able to launch a marshmallow using either a catapult or a trebuchet.
I thought it would be really cool because I have heard of a catapult and a trebuchet before and seen it in like cartoons.
So it's holding its own, but it's just not staying on.
I heard the keywords catapult or trebuchet. It was really just getting those keywords down. That's what made all of us really excited.
And one of the things we kind of want to introduce them to is the idea that it does take iterations in any sort of design to make something successful.
Mr. Kibble in the wood shop, he gave us safety glasses, but also a full-on helmet with a safety shield over top of it so we'll stay safe. I was just sanding, trying to make the curves even for the wood.
Okay, good.
There's probably a solution to this.
Oh, there's definitely a solution.
We're a community of problem solvers, right? All right, let's do it. We had a day of testing then outside to see how well those operated.
Oh, watch out.
Whereas a catapult uses torsion or tension as a form of potential energy to launch a projectile, a trebuchet uses lifted mass as a form of potential energy, a counterweight that then drops and launches a projectile.
Oh, that's so clean. That's really, really good.
So our first test, it was very anticlimactic.
Okay, let's see what it does.
Oh, no! It didn't really perform as well as we wanted it to.
Oh, it snapped. We realized that our arm was actually not strong enough and it broke during the testing phase. So we realized we need more of a weight on the arm so when we pull it down, then it doesn't break on command. Oh, it's this part that came off. It like untwisted.
We went with a catapult that had a more forward charge than it did an upward charge.
Maybe. I got it.
I did notice that the marshmallow was hitting the top of the cup before it launched, which is why it was aiming way downward.
Very nicely done, guys.
And then we gave them a day to make some modifications on those and then have one more shot at testing outside.
If we make it longer, as I just said, the release angle is going to be weirder.
We got to use the power tools once again. I had experience using drills and all those, but not like a bandsaw or those.
Our bandsaw, I think, is the scariest of them all. My group mate usually made me do it because of how fast it moves.
Yes, it was very intimidating as this is the first time that our team has used like power tools and this type of stuff, but then we made it so that it was very simple design and we didn't have to use complex parts to make it happen.
We strengthened the base to the bottom and we made it more sturdy. We added more rubber bands to the sides instead of the back so it could pull back more and have more power. And then we added a top from a cup so that it can have some more control when we pull it back and release.
Rubber bands.
Let's line up all the catapults first and launch catapults, and we'll see how the catapults do, okay?
It went very smoothly.
All right, there we go. Okay, you want to do a second?
It definitely went a good an extra 5 or 7 feet than it did originally.
Of course.
No, we
I'm going to call it 15 feet.
It went well.
Oh, there it is! All right! Woo!
Especially because in the end, it did end up, breaking.
Held together by the power of your hopes. Yes!
But even with that, it still did really good and it still went really far. I'm happy that it did both times.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
In that situation, you wouldn't.
Yes! All right!
So our final build, we got up to 32 or 33 feet.
Oh, nice!
That was a great improvement from our 6 feet for our first design.
Go.
There we go.
There it is! Yes!
And we just stuck with this design and just focused on making sure that our build was the best quality.
Oh my gosh! Beautiful, guys!
Watch out, Ricky.
Okay, here we go. Oh!
It went to the end of that fourth column.
Which is how far?
140. We did very well. We got 140 feet, which is the best in the class.
Oh, is it further?
Yeah. We were very consistent as well. We did more than 5, and they all worked well, and it still is functional right now.
All right, here we go.
I realized that it's just all math, and we have to trust in our design and what we made.
Round of applause for all! Woo! Kids are building not just technical skills and an understanding of engineering theories, but the ability to organize and the ability to plan and to be strong communicators and effective teammates. Very foundational life skills that I think are going to help them in whatever it is that they do.
I'm really glad you could do something like this.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Danny.